Welcome to the Airlift Workshop, where you get expertise from the air suspension specialists, keeping you on the road and in top condition for over 70 years. Today, we'll be demonstrating the installation of our second-generation WirelessAir onboard air compressor EZ Mount system on a 2021 GMC 2500 HD. Installation may take up to 1.5 hours to complete using common mechanics tools. Remember, this overview doesn't replace your installation guide. Grab yours out of the box and let's get started. Begin by planning your mounting locations on the vehicle. The manifold can be mounted in any orientation except upside down or with the logo upside down. We recommend in front of the rear axle. Be sure to keep all wiring, airline, manifold, and compressor at least 6 inches away from heat sources such as the exhaust. Use the provided U-bolt to fasten the EZ Mount securely to the vehicle. The EZ Mount bracket can also be attached using the provided self-tapping screws. Assemble the compressor inlet filter by twisting on the fitting. Then attach the hose. Mount the compressor inlet filter in a dry location, shielded from direct wheel or road splash. Ensure that the filter is mounted with the hose vertical, with the inlet filter pointing upward. Now that the EZ Mount is securely mounted to the vehicle, you can route the wiring harness and run air lines to the air springs. To begin the wiring process, cut off the terminals on the red and black compressor wires and connect them to the short wires on the wiring harness using butt connectors. Apply a heat source to properly secure the butt connector. When connecting the wiring harness to the manifold, press the connector on completely until you hear a click. Now, route the harness along the frame to the battery location. Be sure to route the air lines to the air springs before connecting the WirelessAir system to the vehicle battery. The red wire should be connected to the positive battery terminal and the black wire connected to the negative terminal. The pink wire is a low amperage wire that should be connected to a 12-volt circuit that is controlled by the vehicle ignition. Check a wiring diagram for your vehicle or test for an appropriate circuit to use. The system will not operate properly without this connection. See the included documentation if you need more information. Cut your airline using a hose cutter or a sharp razor blade in order to get a clean cut. Cutting the line in any other way will leave a jagged edge and ruin the hose. WirelessAir is a dual-path system, so each air spring will be controlled from a different port on the manifold, allowing the user to compensate for off-center loads. Route an airline from port 1 of the manifold to the driver's side air spring. Then, route an airline from port 2 of the manifold to the passenger side air spring. The WirelessAir system relies on our free mobile app for function and control. You can scan the QR code located on the included documentation or search the store for the app by name. Once installed, turn on your vehicle ignition and open the app. Tap the menu icon and select Device. Your WirelessAir system will be listed here along with a 6-digit number. If asked to allow pairing, choose to pair. Tap the menu icon again and choose Settings. Select Airbag Type and select the correct airbag type for your application. You're now connected and ready to use the WirelessAir system. The arrow buttons adjust air pressure up or down for each side of the vehicle, or both sides at the same time. Be sure to review the user guide for more tips on using the app. That does it. Remember, you can find more information about all of our products at airliftcompany.com. And our knowledgeable customer service team is always just a phone call away. Thanks for joining us in the Airlift Workshop.